Aprilia announces a new RS125 and Tuono 125, featuring a new single-cylinder motor with 4-valve head, producing 14.75 horsepower and 8.1 foot-pounds of torque. These entry-level bikes are well-spec'd, with twin-spar aluminum frames, LED lights, 40mm inverted forks, 300mm front disc with a 4-piston radial caliper, and ABS and metal braided brake lines. At 317 pounds, they're light, but the 32-inch plus seat height means they're not for shorter beginners. No word yet on pricing or whether these bikes will be sold in the USA. They do look sweet though. And that's a Moto Minute.